My name is Marcus, and I am 49 years old. Every day I wake up to an empty, cold bed. The other side of the mattress is untouched, and sometimes I still turn toward it, hoping to see my wife. But she passed away 6 years ago. Since that day, I have felt like the loneliest man in my town. I have one adult daughter. She visits me when she can, but she has her own home, her own plans, and her own future. I never want to disturb her, so most evenings I sit alone with the soft ticking of the clock, the hum of the fridge, and the quiet air of a house that used to be full of life. I am a successful man with a good job and a comfortable life. But success is not everything. Money cannot give me warmth. A large house cannot give me love. A quiet kitchen cannot give me a family breakfast. I need love again. I need someone beside me. I need a reason to smile in the morning. Every morning before work, I visit the same small cafe. It has warm yellow lights, wooden tables, and the rich smell of fresh coffee beans. The place feels safe, almost like a second home. And there is one more reason I go there. I have a small crush on someone. Her name is Emily. She is 24 years old, with bright eyes and a smile that makes the whole cafe feel warmer. She is a waitress there, and she always serves me my coffee. She remembers my order without a notepad. She always asks how I am, and sometimes she laughs when I say something funny. I don't know why, but her laugh makes my day better. I know she is very young compared to me. I know it is strange, but I cannot stop my heart from feeling something. Her kindness wakes something inside me, something I thought died when my wife left this world. After months of watching her from my usual table, I finally gathered the courage to talk to her a little more. I ask about her day, her studies, her dreams. She tells me she wants to go to design school one day. She tells me she likes drawing flowers and buildings. She tells me she hopes to travel. I listen carefully, trying not to look too excited. I feel like a boy again, nervous and hopeful. And slowly I start to believe she likes me too. One day, after many mornings of soft conversation, I ask her if she would like to have dinner with me. My heart is beating fast. My hands feel warm and shaky, but I still ask. She looks surprised. Her eyes open wide. But then she gives me a small smile and says yes. Our first date is simple but beautiful. I wear my best blue suit and bring her roses. She arrives in a green dress. We talk for hours. I tell her about my daughter and my work. She tells me about her art and the things she dreams of doing. When I drive her home, she thanks me for the evening. I feel younger than I have felt in years. We begin to meet once or twice a week. We walk in the park. We eat ice cream. I bring her small gifts, a scarf, a notebook for her drawings, a tiny silver necklace. She always says thank you, but sometimes she looks a little unsure. I do not notice it at first. I am simply too happy. After a few months, I feel ready for something bigger. I clean my house, cook a special dinner, and light candles. When Emily arrives, she looks surprised at the romantic table. I speak from my heart, telling her she brought warmth back into my life. I tell her I care for her deeply. Then I take out a small ring box. I ask her to marry me. She becomes very quiet. Her hands shake. She looks down at the floor and whispers, "I can't." Her voice is soft but clear. She tells me she likes me, but she's not ready for marriage. She is too young. She wants to study, to travel, to grow. She says she cannot be a wife to me. Not now, not yet, maybe not ever. Hearing those words feels like someone is slowly closing the door to my future. I thank her for being honest. I walk her to the door. She leaves with gentle steps. For days, my heart feels heavy, but slowly I realize something important. She did not break me. She simply told the truth. And now I must learn to rebuild my life again. I still visit the cafe sometimes. She still serves my coffee with kindness, but we keep a respectful distance. And I am learning, little by little, that life can still move forward. She won't marry me, but I am still here. And my story is not over.